What options do I have to complete my R&D tax credit claim? Broadly speaking, there are three ways that you could complete an R&D tax credit claim. First, you could do it yourself. All of HMRC's requirements are online. All of the questions on the additional information form are explained in detail online, so you could do this yourself. The problem with this approach is that HMRC looks at research and development in an entirely different way than entrepreneurs do. As an entrepreneur, you spot a business opportunity, you think about how you can meet it. In trying to meet it, you run into certain challenges, and overcoming those challenges requires certain solutions. In contrast, HMRC almost looks at it in reverse. They start with your solutions, and the first question is, what area of science or technology are you working in? And then your solution, what advance did it make in that area of science and technology? Then stepping back from there, what uncertainties did your project face, which then led to this advance in science and technology, etc. So it's the same project, but they're looking at it from a completely different direction. If you can get your head around these alternative perspectives, then it's fairly straightforward for you to file your own claim. So your second option is to use R&D tax claim consultants. They'll help you from beginning to end, and they usually charge a percentage of the amount of money you've claimed. The percentage varies from about 10% to 20%. But therein lies the problem. Because they have highly skilled staff who need to come up to speed on your business and on your research and development projects and all of the steps involved, they generally wouldn't take on a client where they can't earn at least £10,000 in fees, which means that your claim needs to be worth about £50,000 to £100,000, which means that you need to have about £150,000 to £300,000 of qualifying expenditure for them to be interested. If your claim isn't on that scale, you might find it very difficult getting R&D tax consultants interested in working with you. A third option has only recently become available, taking advantage of the great strides being made in artificial intelligence and using artificial intelligence instead of highly skilled human consultants to do this kind of translation work. One such company is my company, AI Accountant. I've been filing R&D tax credit claims for over 20 years. I've claimed back over £1 million from HMRC, and I've trained our AI robot to understand it both ways. How entrepreneurs understand their own research and development, but also how HMRC wants those same projects described to them. For a modest fixed fee, you could take advantage of all of that knowledge and experience we programmed into our AI robot to supercharge your R&D tax relief claim process to reduce stress levels, reduce time, and reduce mistakes.